All right, so the bike had some really cheap aftermarket turn signals, and everybody told me they couldn't see them, but I didn't want to spend the $200 for a set of those. Those are super bright, low profile, but they're $100 a piece. So I got these. I'm anxious to see what kind of feedback I get on the road with them because they appear nice and bright. But the cool thing about them is they detach. So when I get ready to ride the trail, I can take them off. I don't have to worry about breaking them. When I get back on the street, they're ready to go.